Hello, my name is Elise, and I'm a junior scientist representing the Segura Lab in the Department of Surgery. I'm here to illustrate the value of research on enteric glial cells by presenting a case of necrotizing enterocolitis, or NEC, from my PI, pediatric surgeon and physician scientist, Dr. Brad Segura. So what is NEC? Let's break apart the term to better understand. Necrosis is cell death in a tissue due to lack of blood and oxygen because of disease or injury. Enteritis and colitis describe inflammation of the small intestine and colon, respectively. Inflammation of the wall of the intestine leads to reduced blood flow and oxygen delivery, contributing to necrosis. The enlarged bowel and air bubbles seen in the diagram and X-ray are from gas produced by bacteria within the wall of the bowel. So NEC is an extreme stage of intestinal inflammation that can destroy the tissues we need to absorb nutrients and regulate the amount of water and electrolytes leaving the body. There's no definite cause of NEC. It's likely the result of many factors, like underdeveloped immune and enteric nervous systems, unfriendly bacteria, and damage to the intestinal walls. Glia comes from Greek for glue. Remember the importance of enteric glia by thinking of them as the glue that holds our guts together, protecting us from spreading infection, like in the figure on the right. Loss of enteric glia has been observed in NEC, which may be due to receptors that bind bad bacteria, growth factors, medications used to treat it, abnormal calcium signaling, and more. The figure on the left shows some of the signaling pathways that enteric glia are involved in. This patient was born at 28 weeks, the start of the third trimester, when babies are the size of an eggplant. Think of surgery as fixing leaky pipes by removing the sections with less enteric glia and more bad bacteria. This patient was originally thought to have Hirschsprung's disease, another example of the importance of studying enteric glia. It results from failed maturation of the enteric nervous system in the colon, and like NEC, requires surgery due to limited effective treatment options beyond salvaging healthy tissue. When evidence of NEC was found during emergency surgery, some of the small intestine was removed. Plenty of tissue was salvaged for growth and recovery. The middle image shows the resulting ostomy, an opening that allowed the infant to pass stool during recovery. The bowel was reconnected 2 months later, and the infant is doing very well. Enteric glia are not just glue cells or helper cells. The physiological functioning of enteric glia appears to vary between gut inflammation-related diseases. A better understanding of the physiology and versatility of enteric glia is likely to advance non-surgical treatment for diseases like NEC and Hirschsprung's that may alleviate some of the long-term concerns for infants who've survived NEC. Since studying inflammation in the enteric nervous system has become increasingly relevant to a wide range of medical conditions, from NEC to Parkinson's disease, you can remember what colitis means from this joke by my partner, who is ulcerative colitis. Inflammation of the bowel can be diagnosed with a colonoscopy or colitiscope. I would like to thank my senior scientist and PI for encouraging me to present on a research niche we care deeply for. You can find more information about our lab at the link shown. Thank you for listening.